Hello everyone, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm and I'm super happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about, can you have your will witnessed after the fact? But before I get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free. Either on the phone, we can do a virtual meeting, and if we're able to, we can meet in person. Again, that's estateplanmeeting.com. Go to that website. You'll see my schedule. Pick the time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. So today's topic is, can you have your will witnessed after the fact? What I mean by that is, can you have someone witness your will after you sign it if they're not there? So the scenario would be, if you were to sign your will, you're by yourself, you don't have any witnesses present, can you have someone then sign it afterwards that act as a witness to your will? And the answer to that question is no. In order to have a valid will in Massachusetts, there are a couple of requirements. The first requirement is that the document that will serve as your will needs to be signed by you. So you make sure that, you're called the testator, the person making the will, you need to sign that document saying it's your last will and testament. The other requirement is that you need to have two individuals who are independent witness you signing your will. And basically what the witnesses do is they witness the fact that you are of sound mind, there's no undue influence. So they're witnessing you signing it. You're the one actually signing that document, saying it's your will. So if you don't have two independent witnesses, you do not have a valid will in Massachusetts. And you can't do that after the fact either. So you can't then sign your will today and then tomorrow have two people come by, sign your will saying they witnessed you signing your will, because that's not valid because they weren't there. And the reason why this will not work out is that if there was called to question the validity of that will, those witnesses will need to testify saying, were they present? If they weren't present, then the requirements for a valid will not be met. So in order to have a valid will, you need to make sure that your witnesses are present at the time of your signing, and it can't be done afterwards. However, you may think that you need a notary to have a valid will in Massachusetts. You do not. So it's not a requirement to have the will notarized. However, if you don't have your will notarized, then your family, when they go to probate your will after you pass, will need to provide evidence that the witnesses were present, that there was no undue influence, that there was you were of sound mind. So they'll need to produce an affidavit, those witnesses saying those things, that you signed that document as your will, you're of sound mind, you weren't unduly influenced, and things like that. However, if you were able to get your will notarized, then you do not need to have those witnesses come forward and sign those affidavits or provide that evidence to probate your will. That language within there and the notary notarizing it will provide a self-proving affidavit, so you don't need to provide, your family will not need to provide that extra evidence to show that the will is valid. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me about estate planning, please subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. And if you have a question or comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. Again, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and you can schedule time to talk with me for free, either by the phone, virtually, in person if we're able to do that. Again, estateplanmeeting.com. Pick the time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.